Hey guys, Lester coming to you from Rubix Battery.
And I'm James, and today we're going to try to simulate real-life conditions installing 4 Rubix R-Series batteries. That's 57.2 kilowatt hours, and we're going to be timing ourselves. We're not in a rush today. We're, again, simulating real-life installation conditions. We're going to show you how easy this really is. Each battery weighs 280 pounds, so it's a bit of a workout.
Just like that, 57.2 kilowatt hours of batteries all stacked up. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how we attach our bus bars and get ready for connecting to the inverter. So fortunately, these back covers for the wiring compartment are all magnetic. They remove very easily.
We're enthused about magnets. Wherever we can, we use magnetic covers. To make it super simple, all our terminal covers are magnetic. So now we're going to be putting on bus bars. Each battery comes with bus bars, super heavy duty. You'll notice there's 2 positive and 2 negative terminals with each battery. Super high amperage pass through. We're going to be installing the bus bars in this sequence today: top, bottom, and then middle. And the idea is, if you would want to isolate a single battery, you can easily pull off that center bus bar. Versus if you start one end and keep going up, it's going to be a lot harder to access or to isolate any of the bottom batteries. Last but not least, this battery comes with a grounding bus bar. So we're only hand tightening these today. Normally these would be torqued to 18 foot-pounds. So we're going to be connecting the network cables from battery to battery. It's as easy as that. So we've got our bus bars, the terminal covers are on. When you're connecting an inverter or any solar equipment, you can bring in your cables to the top, grommet, knockout things here, or you can bring them in from the bottom. Either way works.
If you're bringing in a cable, these terminal covers have a cool feature where you can break these out and make it larger for your cable. If you have a cable on here, you're gonna need more space.
And we have rapid shutdown terminals right here if you're using rapid shutdown in your system today. And we're ready for covers. Hold on. Check out the clock. About 21 minutes. So in 21 minutes, we've got the base unit. We stacked up the 4 modules. We put on the bus bars, putting the grounding bus bar, did the network cabling, the terminal covers on, put the lid on. We're all set. 21 minutes.
We did everything except connect your inverter. That's 57.2 kilowatt hours of power. I'm curious if you have batteries that you can do that with.